If you're watching this, then you already know that I got rid of the Volkswagen. I'm a Honda boy now. I'm a Honda boy. Picked up 2021 Honda Civic Type R in championship weight. And this is, I guess, my first unboxing video. What I have here, ZL1 Addons. I ordered a whole bunch of parts and be doing a whole bunch of unboxings and whatnot. We got right here. These right here are ZL1 Rock Guards, mud flaps, whatever you want to call them. I noticed that on the Type R, the tires really protrude out from the body. I can tell what debris, rocks, gunk getting left on the body panels because the tires are kicking it up. So I felt like I needed to get these mud flaps to help protect the car from rock chips. These are like binders. They're really like low profile, so they don't stick out as much. I wanted to keep a clean look. Hopefully these will do the job and protect the body panel from getting any damage. My worry is after I bought these, I started thinking about down the road when I switch out the wheels and tires, are these gonna be enough to cover it? The 20s and these rubber band tires that the Type R comes with from the factory is not really cutting it. I don't wanna risk bending or blowing out a tire. I also found out that the Civic Type R doesn't have a spare tire in the trunk. They just have like a run flat kit. I'm just learning this car as we go. I really don't know much about Hondas in general, and even more so Type R. We got all-weather Husky floor mats and this screen protector for the infotainment unit. I thought this was a plastic screen protector, but it turns out it's glass. I'm not sure how this is gonna be when I install it. We'll figure it out. I hope the Husky liners are good quality. One of my friends actually recommended Husky over WeatherTech because he says WeatherTech gets deformed after a while. The sides that hug against the bottom liner ends up being like folded over. I know a few people that has happened to. Might as well just try with Husky floor mats and see how they are. So we're down in the garage with the Type R. I took the floor mats out of the bag. Here are the front, that's the driver's side, passenger side, and that's the rear. I'm gonna take out the stock floor mats. They're nice though. I say Type R. So I'm gonna put these on and show you guys how it looks after. These say Type R on them. They're nice. I don't want to ruin them. These guys are going in. Coverage is pretty good actually. I wish these went a little higher. I mean, it'll do its job and keep contaminants off the floor and make this easier to clean. They're a little bit warped. I'm hoping that the heat will make them better. The rear actually fit really nice. Go all the way underneath and it covers the center section. So these are the Husky weather floor mats. I think they're the standard version. They look good. I'm gonna hide away these stock Type R floor mats. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Keep them, I'd sell them. I think I plan on really keeping this car. I like it so far. I need a trunk liner. I think I might get the stock Type R cargo tray because it says Type R on it. I'll also want the back seat protectors. When the seats are folded down, I need to load any cargo that the back seats don't get messed up. I'll let you guys know how the Husky mats are after a while. One thing that's a little concerning is that in the driver floor mat, there's like a little bit like no traction where your heel's supposed to go when you're driving. So I'm a little concerned about that. You see where your heel goes? It's just flat. We'll see what happens when I drive it. Hopefully it's fine. Those are the Husky all-weather floor mats installed in the Civic Type R.